went under, I think. I could be wrong on that. But Larry's finally built it, had it for a few years. Looks good in the water. Punch her, Larry, let's see what she does. There we go. You know, tow yourself a skier behind it.
Yeah, I had one, but I quit using it. The drowned skier. You got to go slow for the skier.
Yeah, that is cool, Larry. It looks good. You don't see those very often. It's a brushed, got a brush motor with 27 turn. Not sure. He's not sure what it is. So God, 23 turn, 19 turn, whatever. Brush motor, old school, open end bell. It's got a water cooling system. And what's the speed control? Dynamite speed control in it. Looks kind of like the a Hobby Wing speed control. It might be made by Hobby Wing from, I don't know. Good looking little speed control. Boat runs fine. Looks good in the water. Yeah, keep her that speed, bring her by here. That's good speed. Yeah, that looks good in the water, Larry. That looks really good. You did a good job. I like her. Say hi, Larry.
Hi.
All right, then. Well, me and Larry are out here. Don't know who else is going to show up, but we'll see. So here we go.